Hey, it's Jaleesa from Gate 39 Media, and here's how often you should publish on social media. So they say timing is everything, but with chronological-based platforms like Twitter, the more you post, the better. And with algorithm-based platforms like LinkedIn, quality content beats frequency, meaning too many posts can cannibalize performance. The best days to post on LinkedIn are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Also, keep in mind that most Facebook posts don't do very well, but continuing to post is important as it shows your business is active on the platform. And if you can, try and post at least 2 to 5 times a week. For more tips and tricks on social media, check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining.